Hi, welcome to the Excel function series. Today, we are going to cover the accrued interest function. The accrued interest function returns the accrued interest for a security that pays periodic interest. To get started, we will need the following information. The first data we will need is issue, or the security's issue date. Dates should be entered by using the date function. For example, use equals date, open parentheses, 2021, 5/1, close parentheses, for the first day of May, 2021. The next data we will need is first interest, or the security's first interest date. The next data we will need is settlement, or the security's settlement date. The security settlement date is the date after the issue date when the security is traded to the buyer. The next data we will need is rate, or the security's annual coupon rate. The next data we will need is par, or the security's par value. The next data we will need is frequency, or the number of coupon payments per year. For annual payments, use 1 for frequency. For semi-annual, use 2 for frequency. For quarterly, use 4 for frequency. The last data we will need is basis. This data is optional, but basis is the type of day count basis to use. To see the options for the day count basis, see the green chart below. Now that we have all the data in the spreadsheet, we will open cell K14 and type equals ACCRINT, open parentheses, C9, which is the issue date, comma C12 for first interest, comma C15 for settlement date, comma C18 for rate, comma C21 for par, comma C24 for frequency, comma C27 for basis. Our accrued interest on this certain security is $17.22. This concludes this Excel tutorial. As always, thanks for stopping by.